Webstreaming.in. Seamless streaming.
The man who have a huge fan base in India. Full toss delivery, it's hanging in the air. Will that be taken? Oh, no. It's gone for 6. Harish Pandey. Oh, that is Krishna Satpute's shot of aggression. He saw the ball clearly. Oh, that is a chance for VVK. Oh, what? No, it's cleared him comfortably. The KS bat is speaking for himself. Wow, Krishna Satpute's signature. He stamps it in authority. It will go viral for sure. Nothing wrong from Devarajan. But everything came off that effortless brilliance from Krishna Satpute. Another helicopter. Oh, it's Nadumbasheri, just 40 kilometers away. But the helicopter lands outside that or what? 2 helicopters from Krishna. This man is electric. This man is radioactive. Oh my word. I have no words to say what is happening. It's the raining helicopter from Krishna Satpute. And a shot. The first explosion from the dynamite. End of the over with a 6 from Krishna Satpute. But still a great over from Sandy. Wicket of Jagat. It's 8 for 1. Oh, that is another biggie. Wow, Krishna Satpute, the best in business. Is meaning business. The man Sandy, oh, that is gone miles. 6 again from Satpute. What a player. He mean business again. He is in business again. That is a full toss, a juicy one. And no surprise, Krishna Satpute is on a rampage. Continues the slaughtering process in public by Krishna Satpute. If you add a fuel to the burning hot Krishna Satpute. Oh, Krishna Satpute is another beauty of a banger. I need vocabularies in a plate and ginger coffee in a cup. He's that kind of player who always a troublemaker for the bowlers and the commentators. And that ball goes into the busy street of Kochi. 6 to finish the third. Now it is 56. Never ever bowl full toss to Krishna Satpute. He has hit more than 1 lakh number of sixes in full toss deliveries in a career lasting for 25 or so years. Krishna Satpute. Not a single point in this ground is free of getting a shot hit by Krishna on the leg side. This time he is targeting that trophy and presentation dusk. Penal code should be applied. He is destroying the public property, Krishna Satpute. Oh, wow. Are you here for watching the Krishna Satpute show? Ladies and gentlemen, it's on here. Stop whatever you are doing. This Thursday afternoon is being nailed by Krishna Satpute with a 6-sitting exhibition, and it is the fastest 50 of the tournament as well by the one who have pioneered the tennis ball cricket to another level. 13 balls 50 from the Krishna Satpute bat. Krishna Satpute, some boundaries looks better than sixes. They are having fun. They are making mockery. Krishna Satpute and Pradeep Patil. It's not a dream. You are not in the fantasy world. But these legends of tennis ball cricket are taking you to goosebumps. Incredible Krishna Satpute. Another no ball. So it will be over the waist and it will be a 4 as well. Very nasty balls. Full toss and a free hit goes all the way. 6 clean as a whistle again. Krishna on 66. It looks like a practice kind of shot which we used to see in his YouTube channel. Krishna Satpute official. On to the pads and it's gone out of here. Oh man. I am stopping whatever I am doing. Nothing comes into my mind. I'm all stuck. Again, this is a small ground for Krishna Satpute. Wow, Krishna, you have literally kept everyone flabbergasted. How many helicopters landed out of the ground within 36 balls? Umpteen.
It's in the air. A one-hander. It's done now. Krishna Satpute. Effortless. Just a flick of the wrist. That works over. Oh, look at that one. Electrifying with a single hand. Play that one in between the fielders and ball goes to the boundary for 4 runs. Krishna on air. Oh, that was the opportunity. Full toss one. Very easy for Krishna. Directed nicely. And played that one towards the deep square leg. 6 more runs. Wow. Where is that ball gone? Oh, it's all the way. One more time clears the distance with a spectacular shot. Krishna's bats sings like a helicopter and he's as well. Consecutive 6s.
Here we go. It is the shot for the semi-final number 2. First ball, the leading run scorer of the tournament. It is Krishna Satpute announcing his arrival to the semi-finals in style. First ball from Krishna Satpute. Easily worked away over the fine leg. And ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to the biggest accolades we are going to give here. Mr. Nizam Musafir from Ice Pair and the MD of Howl, which is the big thing we are all expecting to happen in July. Welcome Nizam Musafir to give away the Best Batter Award. A bat from A6 Sports, Abbas. and the trophy. Welcome, Krishna Satpute. Year after year, Krishna Satpute's batting is getting better and better. If practice makes perfect, Krishna Satpute is used to spend hours every day. If nobody is perfect, then Krishna Satpute is nobody because he is perfect. Congratulations, Krishna Satpute. You have nailed it. Bat from A6. Thank you very much, Abbas, A6 Sports. And Krishna Satpute is receiving this wonderful gift as well. Best batter of this tournament, ladies and gentlemen, is the one and only, the Sultan from Solapur in Maharashtra. Krishna Lakshman Satpute, the legend. Now it is the player of the tournament award winner, the star of the tournament, Howl star of the tournament. And the gift from Ludis, bat from AM Sports, and 5,000 rupees cash prize. Ludis gift, 5,000 rupees, and AM Sports bat. All the way, it will be given by Saju Navodaya. And it goes to, once again, the unarguably the best in the Indian cricket history. It's Krishna Satpute, the player of the tournament. Congratulations, Krishna, and welcome again. He also holds the orange cap here. Krishna Satpute, the player of the series. Wow, what an entry. കൈകളൊന്നും വെറുതെ വെക്കരുത്. ഇന്ത്യൻ ടെന്നീസ് ബോൾ ക്രിക്കറ്റിന്റെ മൂർത്തിഭാവം പൂണ്ട താരമിത ഈ ഗ്രൗണ്ടിനെയും ആനന്ദ പുളകിതരാക്കി മാറ്റിയിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ധൃതംഗ പുളകിതരായി ഞങ്ങൾ നോക്കിയിരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു ഇദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ ബാറ്റിംഗ് ടോപ്പ് സ്റ്റെയറിൽ നിന്ന്. അത്ഭുതകരമായ പ്രകടനത്തിന് നന്ദി, കൃഷ്ണ സാത്പുതെ, the player of the tournament. After 2019, January 2nd week, this is the first time in 5 years Krishna Satpute is winning a player of the tournament award. For the Bismillah Cup in Vadagara in 2019 January, now it is 2024, 5 years gap, but Krishna Satpute, grown 5 years old, but still he excels. Welcome, Krishna, to have few words. Five years के बाद एक और मैन ऑफ द सीरीज केरला पे. I hope you remember in that cup we were together. And what do you feel? You are not growing, buddy. You are still look like a 25-year-old player with 26 years of experience.
पहले तो मैं कमेटी ऑर्गेनाइज़र को थैंक्स बोलना चाहता हूँ कि इतने गर्मी में अच्छा इतना टूर्नामेंट ऑर्गेनाइज किया है. और पहली बात तो ये है कि इधर 2 दिन पहले आने से पहले मैं मेरा कन्नूर का बैटिंग देखा जो मोहम्मद ने ऑर्गेनाइज किया था. उसमें मैं थोड़ा आउट ऑफ फॉर्म चल रहा था 2-3 टूर्नामेंट में, तो सोच रहा यार क्या गलती हो रहा है. तो मैं कन्नूर का बैटिंग देखा तो मेरी वाइफ बोल रही है चलो आज तुम बैटिंग देख रहे हो तो वही उधर दिखाना है. तो यस्टरडे मैंने सेम वैसा ही परफॉर्म किया तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. और सभी को मेरा बैटिंग भी पसंद आया. और बहुत दूर से 200-250 किलोमीटर से लोग मेरा फैंस क्लब मैच देखने आए थे, तो उनका भी मैं दिल से थैंक्स बोलना चाहता हूँ. और स्पेशली थैंक्स बोलना चाहता हूँ सृजित सर, हमारे जो एटलस कुवैत के जो स्पॉन्सर है, किरण भाई, अपने अन्ना जो नाम याद नहीं आ रहा है, बहुत शाजिया अन्ना, बहुत टीम संभाल के रखा है. बहुत अच्छा मतलब एफर्ट देते हैं टीम के लिए. और स्पेशली थैंक्स सृजित सर, उन्होंने 6-7 साल से मैं उनकी टीम में खेल रहा हूँ और वो बोलते कि कृष्णा तुम हमारी टीम के लिए बहुत लकी हो, तुमको आना ही है. जिधर भी टूर्नामेंट रहेगा, ये केरला जब टूर्नामेंट रहेगा अपना टीम रहेगा तो आना ही है. तो मैं गुजरात का टूर्नामेंट चल रहा है उधर, आज भी उधर फाइनल था, वो छोड़ के मैं ये टूर्नामेंट खेलने आया हूँ. ऐसा ही भरोसा रखे किरण सर और सृजित सर. और मैं जब तक मेरा बैट चल रहा है तब तक मैं केरला में आता रहूँगा और केरला के जितने भी मेरे फैंस क्लब है उनको मैं मेरा बैटिंग दिखाते रहूँगा.
You are here for more than 15 to 20 years, I think, but this Krishna Satpute is that same Krishna Satpute. Even Sachin Tendulkar may have haters, but this man have no haters. It's tennis ball cricket at its best. Thank you, Krishna Satpute. After 5 years, we have seen Krishna Satpute's real form back in Kerala. Thank you very much.
കൂടുതൽ ഹൈലൈറ്റ് വീഡിയോസിനായി webstreaming.in ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക.